Thanks for logging in to the ImageWorks Client portal. While you are logged in, you will be able to manage change requests, manage documents, manage your profile, pay bills online, generate custom QR codes, link to Google Analytics, and even watch this instructional video whenever you want. Now, let's get you logged in for the first time. First, point your browser to the ImageWorks homepage at www.imageworksllc.com. Next, look for the Client Portal login. You will be able to log in for the first time by using your email address for your username and then typing Change Me. That's CHANGEME, all lowercase for the first time. You will be able to change this after you log in, and we'll show you how in a moment. Once you are logged in, you should see a welcome message along with your company logo, so you know you are at the right place. On the left is the main navigation, including Manage Change Requests, Manage Documents, Manage Profile, Pay a Bill Online, a QR code generator, a link to Google Analytics, and a link to this video. So if you forget how to do something or need a refresher course, you can just click the link and get the help you need. The first thing to do is click on the Manage Profile page. This is where you can edit your user ID and password. So if your email address changes, you want to change your password or edit other information, this is where you would do it. Since it's important to change your password, let's do it now. Just click in the Password field, enter your new information, and click Save. That's it. Your new password will now be active the next time you log in. Of course, if you ever forget your password, you can just click on the Forgot My Password link on the authorization screen after you fail to log in properly. Okay, got it? Let's go on to the next item, which is how to manage a change request, which is probably by far the most common reason to be logged into the portal. You will see the number one item in the navigation is My Change Requests. So let's go ahead and click on the link. If this is your first change request, you will see that there are no change requests. If you have outstanding change requests, you will see them listed here. Let's go ahead and put our first change request in place by clicking on Add a New Change Request. The first item you will see is the Severity field. Go ahead and click the pull-down and you will notice there are several selections. It is important that you select the appropriate choice so that your request is handled properly. If it can wait, then please do not tell us that this is an urgent change request. Since most change requests are handled within one business day, only the most urgent request should be marked as such. Next, you will see that this is a pending request by default, and we'll show you how that changes in a minute as the change request moves through our system. Next is the domain name. This is very important as we manage over 1,000 websites and many of our clients have several domain names. So take a moment and fill in the specific website that you are requesting the change for. Next, if this request is for a specific page, please put the specific URL in the URL field. You can always type in the box, but if you are not sure what the specific page URL is, you can just go over to your website, navigate to the specific page of your website that you are requesting a change for, and then copy the URL by highlighting the URL and selecting Copy, and then pasting it into the correct field in the portal. Next, we will select the type of change we are requesting. Is this a new development request, new content, or a change to existing content? For this example, let's assume this is going to be a change to existing account. After we make the selection, we move on to the Job or PO number field, which we can enter the appropriate information for tracking and/or billing purposes if required. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Next, we can mark that we want a quote before the work begins. But in this case, we'll leave this marked as No because it's a simple change request and is likely covered by our maintenance agreement with ImageWorks. The title field is a blank description field and allows you to describe the change you are requesting. Please add a descriptive title, such as Add New Bio, so we know what it is we are doing for you. Next is the Detailed Description field. This is where you will actually enter the edits that you want. If it's simple text, you can just start entering in the information. But if you would like to have some font control over the information you are entering, such as bold, italics, spacing, and other stylistic items, then clicking the Use Rich Editor checkbox will allow you to have greater control and flexibility of the information you are entering. By highlighting the text and clicking on the control buttons, you'll see you can easily add styles such as bold to any text that you are entering. For some requests, this will be enough information, and clicking Save Changes will begin the submission process. For other requests, such as this one, where we want to add a photograph and some notes, we're going to click the Save and Add Additional Details button. You'll see that this gives us the option for adding notes and attachments. First, let's add a note. Because we are going to add an image, let's point out to the tech team that we want this image to be the same size as the other headshots on the page. Next, let's attach the new headshot that we want on our website. I'm going to click on the Add a New Attachment button, navigate to the place on my hard drive where the image is, and attach the photo. Then I'm going to save my changes, and I'll be back at the Change Request screen where I can see all of my outstanding change requests. The system will let you know when the job has been assigned and when it's closed, so you can view your work when it's completed, as well as when a new note has been added. So if we have questions, you'll be notified that you should log in to answer our questions. Remember, you can always update a previously entered change request by adding additional information, so there's no need to worry if you forget to enter in all of the details the first time. Of course, there are other reasons to be here, and you should feel free to click around and explore the other options. If you have any other questions, the staff is always here to help address other issues or show you how to do something specific. So don't hesitate to call us at 860-647-7725. Thanks for taking the time to view this instructional video, and as always, thanks for pushing play.